The remove duplicates function in Excel removes repeated values from a dataset, ensuring the elimination of identical entries. However, semantically, the term duplicate refers to an occurrence exactly twice, while values appearing more times are technically repeated. This conceptual distinction is important for terminological accuracy, considering specific classifications such as unique, duplicate, triplicate, and repeated. The remove duplicates function in VBA removes repeated values from a dataset, ensuring the elimination of identical entries. However, semantically, the term duplicate refers to an occurrence exactly twice, while values appearing more times are technically repeated. This distinction is relevant for terminological accuracy in data processing. In the context of Copilot available in Excel, the term duplicate is strictly interpreted as a data occurrence appearing exactly twice within a dataset. This definition ensures clarity in data analysis by distinguishing duplication from repetition, where values may appear more than twice. This approach helps avoid ambiguity in categorizing repeated information. To ensure greater terminological accuracy in data analysis within Excel, an author developed an algorithm in VBA that addresses the semantic inconsistency of the remove duplicates function. Instead of using the term duplicate, which strictly refers to two occurrences, the algorithm implements the concept of repeated, allowing any quantity of occurrences to be correctly identified in the dataset. This approach enhances clarity in information categorization, ensuring greater precision in data processing.